Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered why we have a belly button? It's a fascinating part of our anatomy that serves a unique purpose. In this video, we're going to explore the reasons behind the existence of our belly buttons. Let's dive in. The belly button, also known as the navel or umbilicus, is the scar that remains after the umbilical cord is cut at birth. During pregnancy, the umbilical cord connects the developing fetus to the placenta, which provides the baby with oxygen, nutrients, and removes waste products. After birth, once the umbilical cord is cut, the remaining tissue dries up and falls off, leaving behind the belly button. So, essentially, the belly button is a reminder of our connection to our mothers during the prenatal stage. But the belly button is not just a reminder of our past. It also serves as a point of entry for laparoscopic surgery, a minimally invasive surgical technique. Through the belly button, small incisions can be made to insert instruments and perform various surgical procedures, reducing the need for larger incisions and promoting faster recovery. Additionally, the belly button can be a source of sensory pleasure for some people. It is an area with numerous nerve endings, and touching or stimulating the belly button can elicit different sensations and even pleasure for some individuals. In conclusion, our belly buttons are a physical reminder of our connection to our mothers during pregnancy. Beyond that, they also serve as an access point for certain surgical procedures and can be a source of sensory pleasure for some individuals. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on this topic.